How to change password on Instagram without knowing the old password. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change password on Instagram without knowing the old password. Firstly, open the Instagram app on your Android. Then, go to your home page by clicking on the profile icon on the bottom right. Now, tap on Menu on the top right. From here, select Settings. Scroll down here and tap on Add or Switch Accounts. Now select Add Account. After this, you have to select Login to existing account. From the bottom, select Switch Account. Here, in the Login Help, enter your username. Tap on Next. So, in order to get access to your account, select Send an SMS message. Here, provide 6-digit confirmation code sent to your phone number. Tap on Next. This will redirect you to your Instagram account. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.